Hi, I'm Reid Kirchenbauer with InvestAsian. Now, often when people buy property offshore, they do so through a developer. They see that as the most attractive and easiest way to do so. I'm here to tell you why, except in maybe a few limited cases, buying through a property developer probably isn't the greatest idea. Now, let me clarify a bit. If you're just looking for a place to live and you wouldn't want to live in a condo in downtown Kuala Lumpur or Hong Kong or wherever, then by all means buy through a property developer. If you're making a lifestyle decision, that's your decision to make. But when you are buying from a developer, do understand that everything from their advertising costs to their staffing to the mere fact that they're a large company and have upkeep costs, accounting, and everything of that sort, do keep in mind that all of that is built into the price you're paying. You aren't buying a yield-optimized investment with huge appreciation potential. You're buying a marketed product that often cases is very well built and well designed and is a great place to live. I'm not going to talk badly about the quality of condominium buildings because the fact is there are many condos in Thailand and Malaysia and many other places that were built 20 years ago and are still standing and are still well taken care of. So it's not that your condo is going to fall apart like a lot of other people on YouTube are saying, but it's just simply that it's not a very good investment. You're paying a premium already. Many other factors are built into the price, and it's not a great investing choice. Now, I should say also that sometimes buying through a developer is your only option, or at the very least buying a condo is your only option. You aren't going to go buy a landed house in Thailand, for example, because foreigners can't own land in Thailand. Therefore, your only option as a foreigner buying property in Thailand, in this example, is going and buying a condo. So if you are buying a property in Thailand, you're going to be making one of two choices. Either A, buy through a developer, or B, do so on the resale market. If you're set on a condo in Thailand, which by the way I don't think is the greatest place to invest compared to Cambodia or the Philippines or these places with far better demographics and superior GDP growth and just much better overall long-term potential. But if you're set on Thailand for whatever reason, you're either going through the resale market or a developer. You can probably find better deals through the resale market if you are going to do that. I'm not going to say you're going to immediately lose money through buying through a property developer. On all of the occasions I bought property in Thailand, I've done so through a developer, but that was 10 years ago when prices were a lot lower and these companies didn't need to pay anywhere near the prices they do currently for advertising and their staff and all of that. And none of that was it was built into the price, but not nearly as much as it is nowadays. And on top of that, you were buying in a market back then that had appreciation potential. Nowadays, there is no such appreciation potential, at least in my opinion. I don't think condo prices in Thailand are going to double in the next 10 years like they did during the last decade. So I think the best thing for you to do, if you're looking for profit, if you're an investor and are looking for returns and appreciation rather than simply a second home or a place to spend your summers, I think your best choice, unless you simply don't have the option, unless you're looking for something specific or there are some other personal circumstances, I think the best thing for you to do is probably to either look at the resale market or better yet, simply build the property yourself.
How can Nomad Capitalist help you? 4 ways. Number 1, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to make sure you get our new video every day. Number 2, get a copy of Nomad Capitalist, the book. You'll learn a lot of my personal experiences over a dozen years of studying this stuff, as well as exactly some of the strategies that you can use to build your Nomad Capitalist plan. Number 3, if you're not sure where to start, but you want to come and learn from my team and I, you want to come and mingle with like-minded people, Learn more about our live conference, Nomad Capitalist Live. It's coming up soon. And number 4, if you want some help right now because you've got a burning issue, you need something solved, you want to lower your taxes, get a second passport, or build the Nomad Capitalist lifestyle of your dreams, go to nomadcapitalist.com and click on Become a Client.